Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel an Eventbrite ticket. All right, just go ahead and log into your Eventbrite account. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to tickets, click on it right here beside your profile. Just go ahead and look for the specific event. All right. For example, here, I'm going to click on this birthday party right here. And as you can see, you'll be able to find the particular ticket right here in the left pane. And here's your contact information. All right. Now what we're going to do here is just basically scroll down. If you want to, you can go ahead and report the event and contact the organizer. If not, if you just want to cancel the order, just go ahead and click on cancel order right here. And there will be a prompt. Are you sure you want to cancel this order? As this order is free, there are no refund options in the next page. All right. Do keep in mind, if you've paid for the particular ticket, you'll be landed to a refund page. Or just go ahead and follow the simple prompts right there and you'll be good to go. All right. Now I'm just going to click on yes, cancel this order and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, I have no events or tickets available right now. And that's basically how you cancel an Eventbrite ticket. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.